Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off location on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, okay, go to security and location. And security and location, here below, okay, in privacy section, you can see the location. And the location is off. To turn on the location, you'll have to do is tap the location. And okay guys, here in location, you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, to turn on, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on the location. And to turn up again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off the location. But we have another option to turn on or off the location in your itel S15 mobile phone. Okay, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And you can see here the location icon. Okay, tap the location icon to turn on the location. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is tap again the location to turn off. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off location on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.